When you first create a project, the project's assets are in the project window. If you don't see the project window, click on the project tab on the left, or move the cursor down to the lower left corner and choose project. There are a few different views in the project window. The default is called Android. It organizes the project assets by type. The Android manifest file, an XML file, is visible here under Manifests. All of the Java classes are available under Java, and resources are available under RES. But this structure doesn't reflect the actual physical organization on disk. To see that, change to Project, and now you'll see what's actually on your hard disk. The top-level project will show you the actual physical location, and you can open that and see what else is in the project. The app tree has all of the actual application assets. Under SRC for source, you'll find main, and under that Java, those are your Java classes, and once again RES, the resources. There are a lot of other files in an Android Studio project that you don't constantly use when you're doing app development. These files are visible here. For example, build.gradle is your app's build script. It's used to tell the Android build system what versions of Android you're targeting and what the minimum version is, and other critical information. There's another build.gradle file here under the project folder. This has higher level instructions. Typically, you don't need to make changes to this file, but you will be configuring this one under the application. There's a file here called ProGuardRules.pro to manage the ProGuard tool, which can help you minimize and obfuscate the code in your Android app package before you upload it to an app store. I'll be talking about other elements of the project later. Also within the project dialog, you can look at everything through a Packages view. This view presents Java classes and resource files all together in single tree areas. For example, build.config is a generated class, a class you typically don't affect yourself. And R is another generated class. You'll also see references to packages which are a part of your linked libraries, such as the support library here. And there are 4 other scopes you can use: the project file scope, the problem scope, which will show you your coding issues, production, and tests. So that's a look at how to find your way through the Android project. My recommendation is to keep it on Android for most of your development work and only go to the project view when you need to get to other files that are a part of the project.